Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will help you safely and effectively complete the task. Start by turning off your vacuum and disconnecting it from the charger. It's essential to ensure your device is completely powered down to avoid any accidents. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it feels stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. As you open the handle, take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris. A clean vacuum operates more efficiently, so consider using a soft brush to remove any buildup. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism. You'll see the trigger assembly held in place by a small spring and a few more screws. Use your pliers to carefully detach the spring from the assembly. This step requires precision. If you're unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, remove the screws that hold the trigger in place. Once unscrewed, pull the old trigger out and set it aside. Take your new trigger and align it with the mounting points. Reverse the process by screwing the new trigger into place and reattaching the spring. Make sure everything is secure, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. After the new trigger is in place, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and gently press them together. Secure with the screws you set aside earlier. Before you finish, check that the trigger operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to reach out. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means no calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough cleaning. Make sure the filters are clean and that there's no debris in the canister. A clean vacuum not only performs better but also lasts longer. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before making any commitments. Once everything is back in place, plug in your vacuum and test the new trigger. If it works as expected, you have successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V10. If you need any further assistance or would like a professional to handle repairs, just remember our services are here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.